Riwruok mar Okinde ma pacho ka LSK kotelne kod ogai margi Eric Theuri obuogo biro jwango tijgi kaka yor kwedo yo ma piny owacho donjore kod tije mag Okinde pacho ka.
Matimore ka doma milimani opuodho kwayo mar weyo dansano mari thuolo ma ok ochopo e log tich mar okwach kich kaka ne ochike kod obilago kotenore gi nonro mar yango ka bedo obila ne omonjo dala mane en jatend migawo mar arita Fred Matiang'i.
We have noticed a trend where the DCI and the police have continued to weaponize the use of their powers to try and pierce the advocate-client privilege.
Lawyers in Kenya have been intimidated in the recent past by external forces that attempt to limit the right to representation and expression. We are outraged and apprehensive about the environment in which Kenyan lawyers have to practice. The advocates' security is now in question, as the body which is meant to work with the lawyers in dispensation of justice is now exerting undue pressure to frustrate the existing client-advocate relationship between the said advocate and his client.
Any information that comes to the knowledge of an advocate cannot be readily disclosed, and at least not without the consent of the client.
If it is because of his calling as an advocate, then that oath and the Advocates Act has already protected him from the word go. So what does the DCI want? For him to come and say what his client told him?
Ramogi koro ena yanga ni Raila Odinga koro